unwrapping all my presents, and Sophie crawled in the tiniest bag that she could possibly fit in, and then Big Fat Jojo thought he could do it too. So let's see what happens. Oh, hi, Joe. Are you stuck in a bag, and every time I try to get you out, you bite me? How can you walk with that attached to you? You want a treat? Here, Joe. Come walk to me. You want a treat? Okay. There's a bag stuck on you, crazy animal. And the tag is on it. Jojo, come. Come on, let's see you walk back this way. Are you going to just leave it on for the rest of your life? Come on, Jojo. Come on, Joe. No, Sophie, you already got your treat. Let Jojo. No, Soph. Let Joey have them. You already got yours. Oh, fine. Here we go. Joey, you want one more? Are you gonna let me get you out of the bag? Okay, come here, Joe. Joey, come. You hungry? Gonna go eat your food? Here's your other treat. Crazy boy. Look, can I help you get this off? I need this to wrap a present. Ah! Don't try to bite me. So I guess you're gonna live the rest of your life in a bag, okay? If you keep biting me, I can't take it off. You can see it wrapped around his big body. And he doesn't really seem to care, actually. It's a scary person. He's gonna go about his normal day.